What is going on, everybody? Just out doing a little early ice fishing right now. Lakes are just thick enough to where we can get out ice fishing. Duck season is now done, and I didn't put out too many videos, actually only one, but I do have a little highlights video for you guys, so some random clips throughout the season, so please enjoy. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like the videos and you're not subscribed, please do so. Give the video a like and a share. It's much appreciated. And let me know in the comments what you want to see for the upcoming ice fishing season. If you got any ideas for videos, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you on the next video.